Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we've been doing a lot with strings and how to count substrings, and it dawned on me that I need to really express why count won't work in this exact situation. The count method, strings count method. So let's just look at it. So string count. So alright, this is the documentation for the count method of string. So it returns a number of, this is important, non-overlapping occurrences of substring. So that will go through and it will count the instances, but if it's touching, like our example of where we use dad, excuse me, and it went through where one letter ended and another letter began. So let's run this again. Oops. Count in place. Forgot count. Forgot place. Sorry guys. Should have tested this before. So okay, 4. Now, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, like we did before in the last video. So now we're gonna use dad dot count and our substring dad, and then let's close that out. Then let's run this, and it only catches 3 of them, so it does not count. It doesn't see this one because they are overlapping, and all count does is go through and count non-overlapping. So in this instance, depending on the problem, you want to make sure you understand what the tools do that you have. So right here, count will not work in this situation. So if you're just going through and they're not overlapping or there's not a chance, so you don't have to worry about building something like this, we can just go ahead and use count. But if there's a possibility that they can overlap and build upon each other, count does not work. So I wanted to make sure that we touched upon this. So there you go. One more use for count, or not a use for count, and I just wanted to really make that clear. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button and that notification button, and please leave any comments below. Those are very much appreciated. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of this, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.